Yeah, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna show you a new release, a showcase of QB Cokejob. It's the similar script or resource as the weed job I did before. So let's get started. First thing is you have 3 items again. So we have a key, like last time, which is used for the different lab. You have baking soda, and you have scale. So scale we already had, so basically you're gonna be using scale for you're packing your cocaine bricks as baking soda to make the cocaine, and we have the lab key, so you can enter the lab. So all of these 3 items, it's you can place them wherever you want. You can place them in QB shops or any resource you use for shops, or anywhere else you want to do it. It's up to you as a customer, as a server owner or server developer, to put these items wherever you want for your players to get them. So to get started, first thing is to pick up the cocaine leaves, coke leaves. So it is located on Camperico, so you can either use a plane. So if you have a shop that has planes and helicopters, you can players can buy it and fly it to the island, or they can buy a boat and go with the boat, right? So we go to Camperico, and there's a location which is everything is customizable through the config. So the config will have a bunch of different stuff and coordinates to change if you want to. But basically, you come to the Camperico, and at the very edge of the gate, or the not the gate, sorry, the fence of the Camperico mansion or Camperico villa, you come to this location, right here, and there's a zone here which is gonna get triggered if you're inside the zone. The plants are gonna be spawned in. So here how plants look like. These are the plants. You can only target these plants that are located in the zone, which is defined by the circle zone in the config. So you target it, and you can then pick up the coke leaves. It has animation that it's falling down, right? It's going underneath. Eventually you pick up. The time of the how long it takes you to pick up or collect leaves is also fully customizable and configurable in the configurator. So you get coke leaves, you get a bunch of those, you can pick them up, and you go around here and find them. There's one there, there's one here also, one is in the background there. So once you get a bunch of leaves, you go back to the main island to process those leaves into raw or unprocessed coke. So if you have a key, which you can obtain, again, fully customizable to this developer, but by default it is located right here. Look from the sky. So this is the Vegas area, this is Grove Street, so right next to the silos. So you go here, there's a pen right here, you get him. If you don't have a key, again it's going to show error, but you need an item. So you need a key, get a key, and he will let you right inside. The key stays with you, so you don't lose it. That's it. You can also exit the warehouse. You can always exit the warehouse even if you don't have a key anywhere. So the first part is you target this table right here, and you can process leaves. So you'll be processing again, so you can also change the time of how long it takes to process leaves into raw coke or unprocessed coke. So you get unprocessed coke, and you can do that. After you get unprocessed coke, you need to have baking soda. I'll show you that it will not work without it. So you target these things over here. So anything on here, you see, you need a baking soda. So your baking soda, you buy it from the store or wherever you have it, and then you also do the target. If I'm not wrong, by default it's 15 seconds for both processing parts. So once you process it, it will take 1 baking soda and 1 cocaine, but again, you can customize this. I think baking soda is set by default. As far as yeah, it's set by default by 1. So you get cocaine, right? It's the yellow. It's the same thing, but it's yellow because you ate the baking soda, so it changes a little bit color. So once you have cocaine, you can use. Well, so it was 4 items. So you can also put this in a shop together with the baking soda or the hardware shop, whatever you want as a developer. So you get a empty. So you have an empty bag. This is gonna be fixed right now. It's white background, but when you buy the script, it will be transparent. Basically, what you do is you can combine cocaine with the bag. See, it gives it to combine it, and we'll pack a baggie. So when it's packed, you have the cocaine bag, and you can use it. You'll do a quick usable item with the effect on you. So you get white pupils. Your screen is gonna be all weird stuff. So yeah. Then you come to this location. Everything is inside the lab. You target this, and you can pack. Now I don't have enough cocaine, so I'm just gonna give ourselves cocaine. So we're gonna give ourselves 20 because by default you need 20, but you can change that also. Come here, the pack. I'm missing a scale, so pick up the scale, and a scale, and you're gonna pack the cocaine into bricks or cocaine into cocaine bricks. So once that is done, yep, there we go. You get 1 brick, or by default 20 cocaine. Now with the brick, you can do a lot of different stuff. You are able to with the brick, you're gonna sell it, and you're gonna sell it. Just a second to get the. Just let me get the coordinates of the guy. The selling point again can be changed by config. So if you wanna change to where the guy spawns, you are free to do that. So by default, he is located right here, the north of the map. You target the guy, you sell it, and you get a random amount of between 5 and 10 grand for 1 brick. Again, you can change it. You're fully able to change the amount that you get. So yeah, that has been a cocaine job script. I hope you enjoyed, and see you guys later.